Alright brothers, you've just picked up the Beard Struggles Ultimate Kit. Solid move. Whether you're growing your beard for the first time or you've been rocking one for years, this is your full routine for a beard that looks, feels and smells powerful. I'm showing you exactly how to use every product in the kit, what it does, why it matters and how to get the best results. Let's get started. First up, the Radiance Beard Wash. It's formulated specifically for your face and beard. It gently removes dirt and build up without stripping your beard of its natural oils, and that's the key because those oils are what keep your beard healthy and your skin underneath from drying out. Work a small amount into your beard, get a nice lather going and massage it all the way down to the skin. Then rinse thoroughly and make sure that no suds or residue are left behind. You'll notice it feels lighter, cleaner and fresher. Next is the Radiance Beard Conditioner. This is where the magic happens for softness and hydration. After washing, apply the conditioner evenly throughout your beard. Let it sit for about a minute to really soak in. Then rinse it out fully. This step helps reduce frizz, detangles knots and makes your beard way easier to manage. You'll feel the difference when you run your fingers through it. Clean beard, clean start. Let's move on. Step 2, day oil. Now that your beard's clean and prepped, it's time to hit it with the Day Liquid Tonic Beard Oil. This step is crucial for keeping your beard soft, your skin calm and your confidence high. Beard oil helps prevent dryness, flakiness and itchiness. It also adds a natural healthy looking shine and leaves your beard smelling fresh all day. Now here's an important tip. Don't apply the dropper directly to your face. That's a quick way to cause spills or contamination. Instead, drop 3 to 6 drops into your palm. More if your beard's longer. Rub your hands together to warm it up and work it through your beard from skin to tip. Make sure you really get in there. You're not just coating the hair, you're feeding the skin too. Take a second and run your fingers through to feel for any dry or rough areas. If you find one, hit it with another drop or two. The Day Liquid Tonic is lightweight and absorbs fast, so you won't be left with a greasy mess, just a soft, nourished beard that feels amazing. Use this oil in the morning or any time during the day when your beard needs that boost. At night, switch to the Night Liquid Elixir. It's richer, designed to work overnight while your beard and skin recover and hydrate. Alright, that's the beard hydrated. Let's move on to the beard butter. One of the most underrated heroes in the kit. This is all about deep conditioning and softening. If your beard ever feels rough, wiry or hard to control, this is your fix. While oil mainly hydrates the skin and adds shine, butter actually coats the hairs and locks in moisture. It gives your beard that full, soft, touchable feel without weighing it down. Scoop out a small amount about the size of your thumbnail to start. Rub it between your palms until it melts down into a smooth texture. Then work it through the beard evenly, just like you did with the oil. Focus especially on the body of your beard and the tips, where dryness hits hardest. You'll instantly feel the difference. Your beard will be more manageable and styled, but still soft and natural. Let's move on to the next player in the routine. Warrior's Beard Balm. This is your styling product, but it also comes with some nourishing benefits. Beard Balm gives your beard structure. It helps keep flyaways under control and shapes your beard so it keeps its form throughout the day. It conditions your hair while it holds. Scoop out a fingertip sized amount, warm it up in your palms until it softens and then apply it to your beard. Start from the underside and work out, shaping and pressing as you go. You'll feel the difference in texture compared to the butter, a bit firmer, more hold but still smooth. Now we've got that moisture and shape, let's fine tune it with the comb and brush. First, grab the Viking V comb. This is great for detangling and evenly distributing all the products you just used. Start from the bottom of your beard and work your way up towards the cheeks. That upward motion helps lift the beard and get volume. Then you can shape it down the way you like. Always go gentle, no yanking or pulling. Think of it like training your beard, not fighting it. Now grab the Savage brush. This is your finisher. The bristles help distribute the oils, butter and balm, smooth the surface, tame the flyaways and create a polished look. Brushing also stimulates the skin underneath, promoting blood flow and healthy growth. Use the brush to finish shaping your beard after the balm is set in. You'll notice how clean and dialed in everything looks. At this point, your beard's not just styled, it's fed, conditioned and shaped to perfection. That's the full morning beard routine. Clean, hydrated, styled, and ready for the day. But don't forget, we still have the night liquid elixir for when the sun goes down. This is your overnight recovery oil. Think of it as beard fuel while you sleep. The night liquid elixir is richer than the day tonic. It's designed to repair and replenish while your body's at rest. Your skin and beard go through a lot during the day. Exposure to the elements, sweat, pollution, dry air, and this oil helps bring it all back into balance. Before bed, a few drops into your palm, same idea as before. Never just a dropper to your face. Warm it up in your hands and apply it thoroughly from root to tip. Massage it into the skin underneath the beard to help soothe and hydrate overnight. You'll wake up with a beard that feels refreshed, soft, and ready to go. All these products come in cologne grade fragrances that smell amazing. And that's the full beard routine, brother. Cleanse, condition, oil, butter, balm, comb, brush, and seal it at night with the night liquid elixir. Stick with it and your beard will always be its best. For more tips on keeping your beard strong, healthy, and well groomed, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Keep it growing and wear it proud. Beard on, brother.